Hi Zoogs! It's been a while, so I just wanted to preface this video by saying I made a rainbow skeleton makeup tutorial. It is not a heavily detailed, this is exactly how you do this kind of makeup. I'm an average person doing average makeup with average skills. So part of this is just me having fun, and if you want a better tutorial, you should look at other videos because this one is mostly just for fun. But yeah, with that, we can get started now that I've lowered your expectations. Anyway, I just miss you guys and I wanted to remind you that I'm alive. I think next video will be health related, but this one was just what I did for Halloween and I just had extra makeup laying around. So what you are going to need is some kind of glitter, an eyeliner pencil, a white or light or shimmery eyeshadow. I used the Naked palette for my darks, dark brown / black nose and face because I didn't have the black makeup and I was doing a last minute, that's as dark as I went, last minute makeup time. But I also just have this Urban Decay electric palette, which I have never been able to use, so this was my chance to use some of these fun colors. Oh my goodness, so this is like the third time I've tried to record a voiceover and I messed up so many times, so we're gonna do this and see how it works. But let's see, I did a Naked palette dark brown to black eyeshadow pencil on my nose, and then I used that spongy brush to take all of the bright colors and dab them onto my eyelids. I really was winging it, you guys. Oh yeah, this part actually was kind of weird. All the Google images showed like heavy inner brow lining. I think it just makes the skeleton look a little scarier. We blend it out later, but if you just kind of like draw darkness all around your eyes or draw it into the inner creases in the shadows where you see the shadows of your eyes, it will look good. And I even skipped foundation because I thought my eye bags made me look dead enough. That contour, you suck in your cheeks and oh my goodness, a ghost just came in. That was so scary, you guys. That actually, I never figured out if it was the wind or what, but anyway, spooky enough. Yes, eyeshadow, great. We are applying all the colors. Let's see. I dragged the different colors underneath on the bottom lid too to kind of give it more of a rainbowy extended clown kind of look. Maybe if I close my eyes you could see it blended better. I don't know if you get a good visual of that or not, but we're just having fun. Now we're doing green, and we use this sponge that you actually usually use for foundation to kind of dab the excess color because it will get everywhere. So I did a green in the middle, and I think I did a yellow on the inside corners. If your lids are bigger, you can use, you know, as many colors as you want. Get it all on there. My lids are not as big as they look, so I actually had to do some thin lines to get all those colors on there. And I had previously done eyeliner and mascara. So we're dabbing, we are pretending to blend. Sure, looks fine. I don't know. It's good, right? Yep, okay, yeah, it's good enough. Blend on blend? Okay. Then I was like, wait, okay, no, I do want to do foundation. But it ended up being good to do it on my lips so that it took away some of the pink. You don't want that blood flow in your face. You want to look dead. But it would have been better if I did the foundation first and then that cheek line contour. I a little bit regret that. Okay, then I took some white shimmery eyeshadow. I put it on my nose to increase the contrast between the dead blackness of the absence of my nose. Yes, okay, I curled my eyelashes and then I did that. Yeah, okay. So added some purple to that cheek contour. And really you want to suck in your cheeks and bite down and drag that line all along your face of where the shadows are and then where the divot in your cheek is when you're biting down. Really drag that in, make you look more dead. I just blended and blended until it looked good. After that, I went for the triangles over the lips look because there are many different ways, I guess, to do the teeth for your skeleton, but I wanted to be able to put glitter all over my lips, so I just drew a ton of triangles, connected them on the upper and lower lips, and this is all with eyeliner pencil, so as long as you have good makeup remover, it'll come off really easily. Then I did the eyeshadow from the Urban Decay palette, same as what I had done on my eyes in between the triangles on my lips, just so I could have more colors in there and you could see less scariness with rainbow. I think I was able to add in an extra pink that I didn't get on my eyes, so that was fun. And what else did I do after that? Make sure when you do the lips into the cheek contour, you extend the line straight up if you can. But I realized after I was doing my makeup, I couldn't smile because I had done it all without smiling. If you do it with smiling, you'll just have, you know, extra makeup on your face. So either way is fine, but you do want to look as dead as you can. So then I took this silvery color from the Urban Decay palette and I put it on the brow bone and then also directly over my brows, which didn't turn out as good as I wanted to, but we tried. It's okay. At this point I was just messing around and trying to blend things more and make it look like I actually knew what I was doing with makeup. Yeah. Then, oh yeah, I had this other idea. I was like, okay, I'm gonna take these cute sparkles, this duo lash glue that I have, and stick it right on my skin on the outside of my eye and see if that looks good. Kind of wasn't worth it. It was a lot more effort to put on and it just didn't look as cute as I thought it was going to. I think I would have needed more. Then I took this really fine glitter, and that clear stuff is actually some kind of eyelid primer that I got for free in some makeup bag once. You really don't need it if your glitter is like small enough fine pieces. They'll stick on your skin anyway, but I thought, well, maybe this will kind of adhere better like glue. We'll see. So that did kind of help, but with the skin color foundation on my lips, it stuck just fine. I really didn't need it. Then I took my hair out and I did not brush it. Make sure it looks nice and scary and dirty and like you just came out of a grave. Okay, good. Now pose, pose, pose. Pretend to be a model. Pretend to be dead. Move your head all around. Blinkety blink. Yeah, you look dead, girl. Great job. Well, I hope you guys had fun. I did. I would love to know in the comments what you think and would love to see what your skeleton rainbow makeup looks like. Okay, let me know. Bye.